my leg, dog.
Yeah, I got you. Need a medic?
Yeah.
You have warrants?
No.
Why'd you run?
Because I got warrants, dog. I was being real with you, you hear me?
No, you lied to me for a second, and then you were being real.
Last night, me and my nephew ended up getting into a really bad argument. Well, he told me he was going to burn my house down and all this other stuff. I'm at work, and he's behind my house right now.
Okay, so your nephew is currently at your house, which he threatened to set on fire yesterday, correct?
Last night, yeah. About 2 o'clock in the morning, he was texting me threatening to burn my house down.
Okay. What is his name?
Robert Piles, P as in Paul, Y-L-E-S.
How old is he?
He was born in 97, 26.
What does he look like? Is he black, white, Hispanic, another race?
He's white, but he looks like he could be Mexican.
How tall?
Roughly 5'8".
Can you tell at all what he's wearing?
No, he's sitting in a white car right now. That's what he's driving.
What kind of car?
Yep, it's a white Hyundai Sonata. Or it's a white Hyundai. I think it's a Sonata, but the back window's busted out.
He's taking off, going northbound. Look like a female in the driver's seat, or passenger seat.
I got you taking off, going northbound. Following on.
Southbound Central, coming up to under 70.
I think he's gonna.
Southbound Harrisburg Pike, from town, high rate of speed.
I copy southbound Harrisburg Pike from Mount, high rate of speed.
If this is a Bedford, we don't know if he's armed or not right now. We're not going to be chasing him.
He looks like he just spun out south of somewhere. He's running eastbound.
I got
Get on the ground!
Yeah, 82.
Get on the ground. There's two ones all hopping in the pond. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Stay there. Do not move. All right, 82, I got one on the ground. One's going back out to my cruiser. He's going out back to Harrisburg Pike.
One's headed to the Harrisburg Pike.
Hey, there's one guy right next to you on the other side of the fence. Stay down. What's your name?
Harrisburg Pike 1 eastbound. He spun out. Where are you at, 82? Do you know yet?
I'm not sure.
Hey, I'll be there in just a second. I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right. 83's got him down in the middle of Harrisburg Pike. And I'll take my guy in custody here in a second. Stay down!
Lady, we're 10:15.
Copy. 1052 Harrisburg. Do you need more cars over there?
Yeah, we'll need a few.
I'm not gonna do nothing, boss. I'm hurt.
Oh,
why did you take off running like that?
You guys can start that way. 1052 Harrisburg.
I'm sorry, boss. You hear me? I was just scared. I don't know. I ain't got nothing to run for. You hear me? I'm hurt. I don't think I can walk. It's my leg, bro. Oh. What happened, though? Why'd you do that? Huh?
He's got warrants, buddy.
He tried to kill us, didn't he?
He's got warrants. Put your legs up.
Well, that looks fucked up.
You just ran. You can
I'm not.
get up. Come on.
Ooh, that leg hurts.
Okay. Are
What's
you
wrong, bro?
83 or 82?
I got you. Oh.
You got any guns on you?
No, I got no guns on me.
You pitch any?
82
No, I
is
didn't.
80 with you?
I'm walking back to the cars.
Oh, my leg, dog.
Okay. Can we shut down the 10-3?
Yeah, we got the two that ran.
Okay. Shut down the 10-3.
My leg, dog.
Yeah, I got you. Need a medic?
Yeah.
Do you have warrants?
No.
Why'd you run?
Because I got warrants, dog. I was being real with you, you hear me?
No, you lied to me for a second, and then you were being real.
I don't even think I got a warrant, to be honest with you.
That's 8.
I was just scared, you hear me? We're going to find out in a minute anyways, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bizarre. Are they alright, man?
Did you hit another car? Or?
I didn't drive it.
No.
I wasn't driving, though. I was seeing the baby's alright, baby. Is the baby alright, man?
There's a baby in the fucking car?
Yeah, man, I started even stop, dog. Because the fucking baby, you hear me?
On the other side.
Oh. Jesus Christ. Is he alright? Is he cool? This is fucking stupid as fuck, bro. That baby in the car like that, man. Ah, my arm too, dog.
Do you need a medic?
Yeah. So much pain to make me throw up, you hear
I
me?
get a medic for a hurt leg. I don't know
Yeah,
one that
my
ran.
Oh, how
much pain when you were in? You guys are fine?
was pumping in.
What'd she ask? Oh, yeah, we're good.
You hear me? I didn't drive it, though. I wasn't driving that. Oh, no, there ain't nothing in there, though. Go ahead and search it. Easy on it, please. You hear me?
Yeah.
Well. Oh, so.
What's your name?
Fergie.
I-E or Y?
I.E.
Last name?
No, it's,
Leighton?
yes, sir.
Date of birth? What's your address?
I don't have one right now.
Homeless?
Yeah. Can you please leave this door up? I'm gonna throw up if you're not, brother. I'm not gonna
You
run.
can throw up back there.
Huh? Throw up back
Throw
here?
up back here.
Stand up. 10-1, they have one in custody. Everything's fine. Are you in the car?
Okay. Are you with 83 or 82?
83.
Hey, is there another one? No other ones out?
82 is 80 with you? Okay, can we shut down the 10-3?
Who's this guy?
Yeah, we got two that ran.
Okay,
Who's
shut
this
down
guy?
the 10-3.
That's your boyfriend? He has felony warrants for his arrest.
He does?
So he's going to put you guys in jeopardy acting like this?
I didn't even know.
Yeah. That's what's going on.
That's why I'm like, what's going on?
Did you tell him, what'd you tell him in the car?
I said, stop.
Okay.
Yeah, I copy.
I said, my baby's in here.
Yeah.
Stop.
Is it his kid?
No. We just got together, like, I didn't know what the heck was going on.
Who was driving? The big guy? What's your boyfriend's name?
Robert.
Robert what?
Piles.
Robert Piles? Okay.